Have you tried my easy salmon recipe with rainbow veggies? If not, you might be missing out on one of the best meal planning hacks from the homemade method. Now, if you're anything like most women with a heartbeat, meal planning can be the difference between a good healthy dinner and getting fast food or just grazing on whatever you find in your cupboard. If this is you, then you're gonna love today's recipe and healthy eating hack. Searing is the incredible underutilized cooking skill that I'm sharing today, because in about 15 minutes, you can prepare a delicious restaurant quality meal that both you and your husband will love. And if you live alone, you'll be happy to hear you can do this with just one pan. So say goodbye to piles of dishes. Now, the best part of this is that searing allows you to cook without having to fry or add a ton of unhealthy oils. So you can let go of those extra inches around your waist and improve your heart health too. What's even better about searing is that it's super simple to do. Even a complete beginner can master it quickly. You can use this cooking technique on practically any protein or vegetable that fits into a pan, like fish, chicken, pork, beef, tofu, mushrooms, or even zucchini. So what are you gonna practice on? Today, I'm sharing our scrumptious seared lemon salmon with rainbow veggies and quinoa recipe. It's delicious and full of omega-3 fatty acids, which are proven to reduce high blood pressure, cholesterol, inflammation, and reduce your chances of having a heart attack. The salmon, quinoa, and veggies will fill you up while providing healthy proteins and fiber to support healthy weight loss. So it's a win-win. Now, if you're ready for a new way of cooking with the homemade method, here's what to do next. If you'd like to get access to my seared lemon salmon with rainbow veggies and quinoa, just head down to the description below this video and there's a link where you can get the recipe for free. Now, to find that link, you might need to hit the little drop down arrow on the title of the video if you're on your phone or iPad. And I'd love you to share your creation in our community Facebook group too. So the link to that is also in the description below this video. I hope you enjoy the seared lemon salmon recipe and this new cooking hack, and I can't wait to see you in our community Facebook group. Bye for now.